Hello, welcome back to my second tutorial about C++ programming, and we have already installed our compiler which we will use it. Okay, let's start by writing a simple program just of printing hello world. Don't worry, even you don't know anything about a programming language, you will understand it. Okay, for example, hash include stream using namespace. Okay, don't worry, don't panic, you are going to understand. Include uh, let me explain line by line what does it mean and why we write it here in our program. By starting with the first line by writing include IOStream. What does it mean? IOStream is a predefined library function used for input output. Also, it is known as a header file. So IOStream is a header file which contains all functions of program like cout, cin, and other function which you will see it as we go on. What hash include mean? This tells the preprocessor to include the header file in the program. Okay, you get an idea. Okay, and what using namespace std mean? And namespace is a feature added in a C++ and not present in C. A namespace is a declarative region that provides a scope to the identifier name of type, function, variable, and so on. Inside it, multiple namespace blocks with the same name are allowed. Okay, like names, it is in the namespace. What does it mean? Int main. Okay, so int 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 main. This is a function. This is a function, and don't worry, you will understand everything about function. But for this time, take it as a block, whichever your code you need to write inside the function. Okay, and what does a return mean? A function should return a value. So by writing return 0 is like a success status. Okay, and what does a cout mean? Cout, it is like a print the value, print hello world. So it is a keyword that, and I'm going to explain what that a keyword means soon. It is a keyword used to print the value out. So let's try to compile this simple program. Where you compile, you will go here in the compile area. If you click compile, then you compile your program to see if there is an error in your program. and then after compile it, you will go in the compile and run. If you click compile and run, means you debug to check for an error and then run to see the output of your program. Okay, and you can use shortcut for compile. You can use F9, and for compile and run, you can use F11. Okay, let's try compile. Before you compile your program, you need to save it, and you save nnm.cpp. What does cpp mean? Cpp means a C++. C++. Let's say tutorial 2.c++, and I will save it in my desktop. Okay, let's do it. Then compile it. Let's wait. There is no error. Warning 0. Let's run. Okay, as you see print here, hello world. This is our result. This is what we tell the program to do, and it do as our wishes. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.